Once I bought like three uh three of this like Melogold, Melogold, okay. And I gave two away to our moms. So we had one more. So I'm gonna eat it in front of us, okay? So my wife is resting, so let her rest, and then it's Sunday, you know. The meat, see this one？同以前嗰啲係唔同啊。如果有啲係碌柚咧，就係比較會少少紅紅地粉紅色，但呢個 is more like a hybrid of the pomelo and the white grapefruit, right? So the color is expected to be is this color. See? So it also makes sense. So let's see. I don't know how it goes. Okay, and this is the first time I buy it. I saw on discount. Like I was lining up near the market and long line. So I was like slowly. I saw this. I was like, oh, discount. Not discount. There's no, but it's regular price due for $5, and then I bought it. So okay, let's do it. Okay, let's take one. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I never tried this. First time buying this food. Got to try it. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's called the Melogold. Let's see， 甜睇下甜唔甜，或者酸唔酸，或者睇下點先啊，或者酸甜都可以啊。I don't know. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna try it. Okay. Wash my hand already before, so I'm gonna eat it. Okay. Okay. 食落去唔係咁酸，又唔係咁甜，係都 OK 喎，接受到喎。咁因為本身佢唔係 is less is a white grapefruit with 嗰個 pomelo 同嗰個碌柚同埋 white grapefruit 咁一齊黐埋一齊就係變咗咁啦。OK， 咁可能佢冇咁甜，都係好嘅，到老人家對中從細到大，從細路小朋友 young age to old middle age。Young age, middle age, or old age, it's good. Not too sweet. It's just good. Okay, acidity is mild. 有少少甜味，但有少少好似嗰啲苦苦地嘅味道。大部分都係有少少甜，有少少甜同埋酸都係有嘅，係好食嘅，都 OK 啊。好多 juice， 好 juicy，OK， 好多汁，又多汁係咪先？最緊要多汁啊！試下今次試下食埋個衣先。哇！食埋個衣，擺埋個衣落去食，有更加多口感喎。OK， when you eat it with the skin with this peel, the texture tastes even more better than eat the meat by itself. 有口感啊！When you bite it with the whole thing instead of just the meat itself, it gives me a better bite of the texture of of this Melogold. It balances the sourness. It just make it right. I think I'm gonna eat like this. It's better. I'm gonna say half for my wife, okay? Half for her. I ate half. Ladies and gentlemen, when you eat this Melogold, eat it with the skin on, like with not this skin, but with the inner side of this, the inner skin of the white skin over here. Eat it together. Then it's perfect. When you eat it, it's balanced the sourness and the sweetness. Make the texture taste super good. Okay.